Hi, this is going to be a shopping haul. So I've been on a bit of a spend over the last couple of days. It was my birthday last Friday and I was given some money off my family, my husband and friends and everything, so I've been buying a few beauty treats and the items that I've been wanting for a long while as well, and I'm really excited to start using them. So the first item is from Beauty Bay. Now they arrived yesterday, haven't even used them yet. I've got some new brushes and as you can probably see, they're ZOEVA. Now I'm obsessed with ZOEVA brushes. I do quite a bit of makeup tutorials on my channel. ZOEVA is by far my favourite makeup brand. I have done a video on my full set of eyeshadow ZOEVA brushes that I received as a Christmas present from my husband last year. If you're interested to take a look at those, I will link that video down below. All the items that are featured actually in this video I will seek out and I will link down below, so if you're interested in getting it yourself or taking a look, then you can do so afterwards. Just click on the show more and that'll bring it to description and it'll all be down there. So I have got 5 face brushes. So I've got the ZOEVA eye makeup brushes, but I don't own any face brush. I'll tell a lie, I own one highlight, a Luxe highlighting brush, which I use to do my highlight. I love it. So I wanted some face brushes. On Beauty Bay and Feel Unique and other places, you can actually buy a set of 5 face brushes, including a pouch, for £60. I had a look to see if those brushes I actually would use, and to be honest, 2 of them I probably wouldn't use, or I've got very similar ones that I already use. So I started looking around at prices individually. Now they all range from about £10, £12, £13. For all of these 5 brushes it came to £61.50. I think it was £61 something anyway, so I think it's £61.50. So £1.50 more than the actual set, but it means that I have got 5 brushes that I really wanted. So the first one is a 127 and it's a Luxe cheek brush. Very soft, very soft, slightly angled. And yeah, I wanted a nice angular one for my cheeks, so that's my first brush. So the next one, oh, I'm really excited to use this one. It's a 122 Petite Stippling brush. And you can see there, it is gorgeous. I can't wait to use it. So I'll be using this to buff in, say, my contour creams, highlights, bronzers, blushes, things like that, or concealer even, or if I want to touch up with foundation, I can use that to really buff it in. Oh, I love it, I love it. So next is a 110 shaping brush, a face brush. Now you can see it's rounded and it's quite soft. I wanted this for concealer really, a nice soft one for concealer on my eyes, my nose, and also they're all multitasking. I don't always use the brushes, what they say are actually on the brushes, you know, I use them for a multitude of things. So for this I would actually do contouring, powder contouring maybe, that would be quite nice. And yeah, just different things, a bit of highlight, so it's a multi-tool, but yeah, mainly for concealer. I wanted a nice soft fluffy one just to dot around my face, but yeah, so looking forward to trying that. So this one I absolutely can't wait to try. It is so soft. It's the 106 and it's the powder brush. Oh, look at that beauty. Oh my word. It reminds me of my rabbit, my black and white Dutch rabbit pansy. These, by the way, are completely cruelty-free brushes. Not that they've used rabbit hair or anything like that. I'm just saying it just reminds me, her fur just looks like this, and oh, it's just nice and soft, just like her. I know, a bit weird, but no, I can't wait to start using that. And the last one is a foundation brush, and this is a 102 Silk Finish brush. You can see there. Such smart designs, aren't they? I love ZOEVA brushes. So yeah, quite a dense brush, but quite soft as well. Just really nice and not too big, so I can really buff in some foundation. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying all my brushes. Next, I bought a foundation. Now, I have tried this before and I have run out of it. I've gone for a slightly darker shade this time because I'm a bit more tanned and I tend to top up my fake tan more in the summer months, and it's Too Faced Born This Way. Now, this foundation is just amazing, absolutely gorgeous, and I haven't tried it for a long while because I ran out of my last one, but I tried this yesterday and it's like, oh my gosh, my face, it just looks so nice, really nice. So it's a medium to full coverage, it's oil free and it's luminous. Now this is what I like, and I've gone for light beige, so that's what that looks like there. I think this cost me £27 and there's 30 mils in there, so it lasts quite a while. But no, I love it. Bit of jewellery. Can't go without a bit of jewellery. Popped into Next and I bought this necklace. I think it was for £6. It was originally 12 or 15, but I found it on the sale. I just thought it was really pretty and it's sort of my style, sort of bohemian, the blues, the layers, yeah, it's really nice. So I really like that. Quite nice to wear, so looking forward to trying that. Then I've got 2 lipsticks and I'm going to be reviewing them both. The first one is a new L'Oreal and it's Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the Les Chocolates or Les Chocolates range, and this is in shade 844 Sweet Tuff. So I will be doing a review on this. I wanted a really nice matte nude colour because I find when I'm really pale nudes don't suit me. I look a bit washed out, but when I've got a bit of a tan on my face, I think nudes look really nice, and I sometimes just prefer just to have a bit of a nude on my face with really dark makeup. Like today, for instance, it would have been perfect if I worn it today. So I have got a favourite, and it's a Primark one, and it cost me like £1.99 for the lip kit in the nudes. Didn't expect to like it at all, but I do love it. So I saw this and I thought, oh, it'd be nice to do like a bit of a comparison. Not a comparison video, I'll just do a standalone review on this. It's supposed to be very long lasting, so now I thought it'd be quite nice to try, and the packaging is very smart. I like it. And then the next lipstick is a MAC one. Now I have a few little MAC ones, mini ones, but I haven't tried their lip glosses before. I don't own much MAC, so I thought I'd treat myself to something MAC for my birthday, and this is the Oh Sweetie lip colour, and it's in shade Creamy Peach Pie. The packaging is gorgeous. Look at the packaging. Really cute. Not your typical MAC style packaging. Bit more fun. So this is claims to be long lasting as well, so I will do a review on this, and it's just the typical my shade of colour. I love a coral. It's there, it's beautiful, it feels nice on my skin. I haven't tried it on my lips, so I'm not sure what it'd be like, and it's supposed to last for up to 8 hours or more, so I'll be really excited to try that, and the colour is just stunning, absolutely stunning, so no. So something not really exciting, but a necessity as such for me, it's my hair colours. So I bought one for my actual head of hair, and one for my halo hairpiece, which I'm wearing today. My hair fades really quick. I've just come back from Greece, and being in the sea nearly every day and the pool and everything, it has really stripped the colour. It's gone quite a pale coppery colour. Doesn't look on camera. It looks quite dark actually, but it looks more like a washed out blondie ginger colour. So I have put some like semi-permanent colours just on the top to brighten it up, but they're just not lasting. So I've just bought 2 of these that I used a couple of weeks ago. I did do a video a month ago before I went to Italy of me putting this on my hair, so if you want to see that, I'll link that down below in the description as well. But it is quite a vibrant copper. So this is the Garnier Olia, and it's the 7.40 Intense Copper. So no, gorgeous colours. So the next product is a serum. It's Nip and Fab Glycolic Fix Serum. I use the Glycolic Fix Scrub and absolutely love it. I wanted quite a nice serum just to use in between the freebies that I received, the high-end freebies I receive in like Look Fantastic and Glossy Box and things like that. I seem to be always on the search for serums. I always seem to be running out of them. So I thought I need a backup. So I wanted to try this, never tried it before. I think it cost something like £12.99. I can't remember now, but it will be linked down below. But now I look forward to trying that. And this is a really exciting, well, there's 2 more things left actually. They're both really exciting, but look what I've got. I've actually taken that picture myself in Santorini. Ah! The Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Oh my gosh, it is stunning. It is so beautiful. I just love the pictures. If you're new to my channel, I'm a little bit obsessed with travelling. I don't travel that often, but I constantly watch travel videos on YouTube every single day. I'm just obsessed with it, So yeah, I just love the design. It just appeals to me. But besides that, the actual colours. I love Urban Decay palettes anyway. I have quite a few. What I like about this palette, which I'll show you the colours in a minute, it's got a metallic clasp. Very nice and smooth. And you see the mirror there, but it's a bendy mirror, which is really handy. I haven't seen that before with Urban Decay, not the palettes I've got anyway, but look at those colours, aren't they beautiful? So you have got a good mix. I mean, I have got a lot of these coppers and burnt oranges and everything. I do have them, but I wanted a palette that could be easy to pop in a bag if I was going somewhere, or a palette that would have all the colours I need. I love blues, I like greens, burgundies, pinks, oranges. It's just got all the colours that I tend to use and I like to create looks with. So no, I love it. I will be doing a makeup tutorial using this and a first impressions review. Oh, I just love it. Listen. Oh, my finger's in the way, look. Oh, I love it. Such a nice palette. My last item is something so cool, and it was a gift from a lovely friend of mine. It's a new mirror, and it's a Jeffree Star mirror. Now this is so cool. I'll just show you what you look like there. That's my camera. You can see the Velux window, but no, it's just a mirror, but it's such a cool mirror. It's a handheld one, it's a big one, it's the size of my face, you can see there. It's just really nice, really nice. I'm constantly using tiny little mirrors, and you know, they're fine, but I've always wanted a bigger mirror, but I've just never got around to doing it. It's just nice, it's quite lightweight, it's not as heavy as I thought. The packaging, it came in a gorgeous box, and it's just too good to throw away, but oh, I love it, I love it. So any makeup tutorials I'll be doing from now on, you'll probably see a touch of pink in the corner there while I do my makeup. So no, I'm really chuffed with that. So those are all the items I got for my birthday, so quite a good mix, mainly beauty related. Well, they're all beauty related. Basically, I got the brushes, the palette, the foundation, the serum, the mirror. What else did I get? Oh, jewellery. I had a necklace as well, and I had my gin glasses, which are lovely, and my bottle of gin as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, including using a lot of these products and doing some reviews as well, which I'm excited about. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.